this?
Hey, we like to play games. It's called Connect 4. And later, after you finish opening your presents, if you want to play, I'll teach you how to play. Oops, sorry, buddy.
Now, okay. I told Mommy to open this.
Not yet, honey.
Not yet.
Don't steal me, just do it.
Mommy, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, a Mickey Mouse game.
Oh.
Wow, that will be fun.
What's it called?
It's called Yahtzee Junior.
Buddy.
Oh, that's math.
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse.
That would be lots of fun.
Donald.
Cute.
Dress up thing, Mommy.
That's another game. It's called Pretty Pretty Princess.
How do you do it?
Well, how about after you open your presents,
now,
you read
Wow.
the directions.
Mommy, now I open this. Mommy,
That's for you, honey.
Mommy, now.
Yes. Let's see who that's from. Let's try a card in there. There you go. See?
Open the card first.
Yeah. You open the card first.
American.
Okay, you want me to read it to you? And pretty soon, maybe at your next birthday, you can read your cards. Hi, birthday girl. Hope your birthday's really fun and super splashy too. Love Aunt Linda and Uncle Bobby. Wow.
All right, let's see what it is.
Now they give you the mystery crew people.
Oh, that's pretty.
gorgeous.
That's pretty.
I love
I
that.
told him, I was listening, I said she'll love that.
I love it.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's like Hawaiian looking.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Gorgeous.